In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the time or set a clock on your Dodge Chrysler built from 2009 up to 2018. This is Ram 2017 year model. Yeah, let's do it. First, we have to turn the key to the on position. Don't start it. The run. I'm in run position. And radio turned on. If it's off, press it on. Keep my sound down. Go to the menu. Here we go. We're in main menu. Choose date and time. How you do it? Just turn this dial left or right. All right. Press the enter. Here we go. And we have date, time, and format. We're interested in adjusting the time. If you need to do the date, we'll get in it in a sec. Okay, choose the time. Just light. Press it in. Now we have hours. Let's activate it one more time. And you can adjust hours by turning left or right. As soon as you're happy with the time, press it in. Go to your minutes if you need it. Press it again, the center, and adjust your hours. And that's it. Yeah, if you need to go out, press the menu. If you need to go in, press it again. You can adjust the date in the same manner. If you like 12 hours or 24 hours time format, it's all available for you. Here we go. Turn it off, turn it on, and we have time adjusted. That's it. Very simple, guys. If it's helpful, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Yeah, take care.